As the level of violence in Afghanistan remains high and intra-Afghan talks in Doha have been stalled, Chief of United States Central Command General Kenneth McKenzie has said the US is reviewing Taliban actions and the peace agreement. The commander of the United States Central Command, General Kenneth McKenzie, on Monday said the level of violence in Afghanistan remains too high and that the US is reviewing the Taliban actions as well as the peace agreement to find a way forward in the near future. Participating in an online conversation hosted by the Middle East Institute on Monday, he accused the Taliban of continuing to resort to extreme violence, targeted killings, and frequent attacks on the Afghan forces. He underlined the imperative of a conditions-based approach to the withdrawal of American troops from Afghanistan.
Continue to resort to extreme violence with targeted killings across the country and frequent attacks on the ANSDF Afghan forces. And while they have mostly avoided attacking U.S. and coalition units, the level of violence is just simply too high. And so that's an action that we look at. We continue to watch Taliban actions, and I know that the administration is taking a close look at the way forward.
Earlier, Republican U.S. Senator Lindsey Graham, in an interview with CBS, said that the American troops will not leave Afghanistan in May, supporting the Biden administration's stance on Afghanistan and its bid to review the U.S.-Taliban agreement. Pentagon announced in late January that it was reviewing the Doha deal on Afghanistan signed in February of last year. The deal requires the U.S. to withdraw all forces from Afghanistan within 14 months in exchange for counter-terrorism assurances from the Taliban. However, U.S. officials have said the Taliban have failed to split from terrorist group Al-Qaeda as required by the agreement. The intra-Afghan talks in Qatar have been stalled as violence in Afghanistan escalates.